Check it. All right, welcome back, guys. This video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use your time-based effects over here. All right, your reverb and delays. Have I been stressing you guys since day one? Signal flow, signal flow, signal flow. All right, so understand where your signal stays and where you want it to end. All right, so for this instance, so I got this record and I just want to add to a delay or something. Time-based effects, we know that we send those on our Auxes. All right, so now if you look over here, right, so you see our auxiliary sends. So out of the Auxes into our time-based effects, out of our time-based effects, back to our FX returns, okay? So what we're gonna do is patch out of 3 or 4. We're gonna go into our MX 300. Out of the MX 300, we're returning that signal to our 5 and 6 FX returns. Now, with the track playing, now as you can see here, we are on tracks 1 and 2, right? So auxiliaries 3 and 4 are being used to send the signal to our time-based effects. So we're going to aux 3 on channel 1 and aux 4. So what you're hearing now is the signal being sent from the auxiliary channels from our Auxes from channels 1 and 2. So we're playing back on channels 1 and 2. And on 1 and 2, I'm sending 3 and 4 to the time-based effects. So then that way you get your effects coming back. All right, and then the last part of your equation, guys, you hear back, right? Your artist needs to hear the music in order for them to record. If you're recording in this room, the hear back is labeled hear back. So take your Ethernet, you're gonna plug in, take the other end of the Ethernet, and you're gonna plug in to the back of your hear back. What you wanna see is a green light. If you don't see a green light, that means your hear back is not on. Go back to your hear back. So you see it's not on. Now you have a green light.